catching speed because he will slow down coming down here.
Yeah, open her up, boy.
Yeah, no, it's why I'm getting closer. Oh, he's gonna come down slow, but he'll go back up.
I think when he said brake something, it's like his body or the tractor?
The tractor. Chain hopped off. It snaps chains like crazy. Oh, it just popped off. I hope he cruises by. Just when he comes onto it that the chain pops off.
So that's when he tromps and now
Yeah.
it's just going fast. Yeah, too much torque at once.
Yeah. I don't know how the fuck Ashley thinks she's getting out of there. Fucking idiot. Look at her down there in that fucking car. There's no way she can get out through the fucking people in the traffic. Hey, come on, Dad. Let's get a fucking...
Just down on that?
Yep.
You're getting everything.
Yeah. Fuck, the chain popped off again. No, I think it... Oh, yeah, it broke off. Or, come off. You can't chomp on it. It just does that. Oh. No brakes neither.
Doesn't have any brakes at all?
Now it don't.